Wow. Sorry, babe. Oh, I really wish I could help your mom right now, but I'm cash strapped. My credit card is maxed out. The little money I have is the one my son kept in a separate account for me. That's...
And babe. You don't seem to understand what I'm saying, right? I'm saying, if I'm not able to get $15,000 before tomorrow afternoon, my mom is gonna die.
I can't go bankrupt. I don't want to starve.
Okay, I'll pay you, okay? Just give me a day, a week, a day after. Just give me a day, a week after tomorrow, okay? I'll pay you. So please, do whatever you can to help me raise this $15,000, okay? Just do whatever you can to save my mom, please. I can't afford to lose my mom.
No. What are we eating this evening?
Shh.
Don't tell me to shut up. Don't tell me to keep quiet. Leave me alone, John. I'll keep quiet. What else to starve to death? When you're online, brooking deals.
Come on, what's going on there? Who's yelling in the background?
No, it's nobody, I promise you. Nigerian network, it's kind of crappy sometimes, but it's fine. It's okay. Alright? Okay, it's nobody. Let's just talk. Please, so would you help me?
Now your papa be nobody, idiot. You must think I'm mad.
Lami, it's not that I think you are mad. You're mad! Are you mad? I'm still asking you, you're obviously mad! God will punish you! You see that I'm busy and then you're interrupting what I'm doing? If let me say you be witch, when God go punish morning, afternoon, night, you like grace? You be the devil when the saint come. Are you mad?
Whoa, you're not even a black American. You've been faking it all this while.
I promise you, I'm a black American. Okay? I just quickly went and sought a situation, but now I'm good. So right now, I am black American. Okay? Alright? You're gonna help me save my mom. Would you do that?
Damn you! God!
I'm black American right now. Can you see me? Black American, please. The $15,000. Can you? I'm black American. You see? She said, damn me. Lami, she said, damn us. Because of you! Because of you, 15,000, do you know how much is $15,000 in Nigerian currency? That's approximately 16 million. 16 million. Just food, ordinary food, Lami. Because of food, the money I almost got. You make me lose it.
You and I both know that she wasn't going to pay.
If you are not a witch, how would you know that she was not going to pay that money?
Because I know you. Macon. I know you're not the smartest con artist out there. Macon, see, wake up, oh. Wake up. Better wake up and step into reality. Go out and get a job. Earn salary. Once in a lifetime, Macon, please. Take your responsibilities as a husband. Take your responsibility as a husband.
Lami, just so you know, no man has ever made it by earning salary.
Oh, you're ready. Let me hear what? What? You just sit down and you go and be listening to Jeff Bezos and be filling your brain with nonsense, with crap. So because we want to get rich, we should starve to death. We should start. Say empty pots. We should starve to death.
Okay, fine. I accept. I caused all of this. But please, Lami, I want to beg you. Can you just persevere? Just give me a little more time. Alright? Everything will be fine. See, there's this update, I swear, there's this new update that my guys, they are planning to give me. Once they give me this update, I start using it. I promise you we'll make money. I mean, we go to make money. Everything that we lost, all those money I nearly had, we will recover them and even extra. I promise.
Money you lost?
The money we nearly had.
The money you nearly had? How else do I explain this thing to you now? See, please, we're a married couple. We cannot continue to wait for you to successfully scam someone to eat. It's not life now, it's not life, it's not life! It's not life!
Lami, the update is coming. Normal life in the streets. One person must lose guard. The updates they come. We will get money.
Macon. Last year, update. This year, update. Next year, it will be another update. Oh no. God knows I will not be here. God forbid that I will be here to stay here and listen to this rubbish. Nonsense. You better bring money for dinner now.
Michael. See as you scarce anyhow. You be dollars, eh? We go define you.
John be saying you go define me. Who's scarce? Between me and you, who is scarce? When did I see you last? I should be telling you that.
My brother, the work choke me. I don't even get time for any other thing. See me now. Not even the. I swear.
Which what do you mean work choke you? Which work? Wait. When you say work, you are talking about your casket business, Abi?
Yes.
Now they call work. I've been meaning to ask you, Seth. Which reasonable young man sells caskets as a business nowadays?
Na casket I dey sell. My business be that.
Na casket you dey sell. Even saying it with your full chest, na casket you dey sell.
Michael, why you dey look down my business? Huh? Something where they pay my bills.
Caskets, they pay your bills. No! Don't see it as if I'm looking down on your business. I'm not. I'm just saying, you go there now as a young man, you are selling caskets.
And my business be that.
It is too below the belt. It's not
hey,
a
guy, nothing is below the belt. As long as it is putting food on your table, it's paying the bills, nothing is below the belt. E better pass say I go just do one place, you press button, they expect say one maga go pay. If you no pay, I no go fit chop. Huh?
Your kidney. Your kidney, you know where they?
I know where you did, I won't touch them.
There for you.
You feel like you did Chris.
Mommy.
Cut it out, guys.
Mommy, you're sleeping again. Oh, Mr. Boss.
Boss. Okay. Let's go, guys. Okay. Let's go. Let me make it. Good morning, Oga.
But I don't wait here since now. You just take my time. I don't like them now.
No vex, I'm so sorry.
No, because I like your children. I don't go because of them. Now, these other businesses, I have other customers now.
Oga, sorry now. No vex. No, let's go.
Mommy, you said you're going to see my principal.
I'm sorry. I will get this sorted out. I will see your principal. Let's go.
But that's what you said last week.
Okay, please now. I will come to your school tomorrow. Eh? Is that okay? Okay, let's go now. Let's go. Break a leg. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where is this girl? Ah.
Babes, I'm so sorry. I beg. No vex, I'm sorry. Eh?
I'm so sorry. I really find it hard to believe. This is the second time you're leaving me hanging this past week. And the worst part, I don't even know if that man and his cruella of a wife will give us a call back. I'm sorry all the time.
Babes, I'm sorry now. You know the stress of last night, eh?
And the kids. Leave me alone.
I beg, I'm sorry. Don't be angry now. No vex.
Me.
Okay, I'll buy you starch and soup. You like starch and soup, you cannot resist that. I'll buy you starch and soup.
It's just because you're my friend. If not, I feel really vexed. Come on and buy me the starch.
Long throat.
Come on, buy it.
Sister, where's your sister?
Ma'am. She's sleeping upstairs.
Oh, okay. Auntie Elizabeth is coming over. Do not give her any problems.
Are you going to a party?
Yeah, a birthday party in the night.
Okay, mommy. Love you.
I love you too, my brother.
Who's there? Oh, welcome, Auntie Elizabeth. Welcome, ma.
Auntie Elizabeth.
Oh my God, how are you?
Mommy says she's going out for a night birthday party.
This one mad is sharp like razor. Waiting, who sent you?
Auntie Elizabeth! Welcome.
So take this. Party is a norm for your mom. Okay. It's not a new thing. Good. Uneche no uno kasi eme guy. Guy, Nini, all these things you're doing, if you Nini, what have you achieved? Guinea came what to go. See the way you're dressed. When I was your age, I dined with the La Creme.
Auntie Bichakwa guy.
Yes. I dined with important people. When I did a guy, I'm a guy. I'm calling him a guy. Careful no what to go. What have you achieved? Na guy ni no name, careful no achieve go. And I kwale. Chinasa. If you want to fly, fly high. And the only way you can fly high is embracing Jesus. Laugh on. Laugh on. Laugh on. You're headed towards hell now. Or the obvious. Oporia. Chinasa melo wege bele. Melo wege bele. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you. Because you married Neje. And you. Hell awaits you. You see,
Let's go to heavens.
You see, hell awaits you for me. You don't tell me I want to have my own.
Devo, come now.
I did with you, my brother.
Today will go pure. I know it's not the thing you.
She did here.
Lami, this one that you are seated outside. It's now jollof rice, so freshly cooked. Let me just.
What? Come on, give it. Give it, Joe, give me.
Lami, what? Are you serious right now? It's just rice, so rice.
Na fufu before. Na fufu. It's just rice. You buy him. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Waiting. You know what? Make my food digest. What is it now?
Lami, why? why are you like this? Why are you being hostile? You are even disgracing me in presence of Dave. It's not fair now. Let me see, no matter which way, you're still my wife. For the fact that we don't have a lot now does not mean we should be at each other's necks. It doesn't make sense.
There's a difference between we don't have a lot and we don't have at all.
But Lami, we are still under a roof. We are eating and still surviving, right?
How is that your... Oh! I get it now. Oh! So that's why you're being lazy. Because I made you feel comfortable with letting me do all the work by myself. Amy? Just so that we are comfortable, that we don't suffer.
I mean, it's not like
that. It is like that.
It is not like...
It's like that. It is definitely like that. Ha! Lami, Mumu, sorry to you. See, I regret. Why did I make the mistake of retaining this house? I would have followed my friend Chichi's advice now, and just moved into a self-contained by myself, and just leave you here to face the wrath of the landlord.
I mean, how could you take advice from Chichi? Chichi, that lady is divorced now.
Oh.
Yeah, she's divorced. Not once, not twice, not three.
Really?
She's literally a divorce influencer. How? Anyway, no problem. That's not what I came to talk to you about.
Now, money?
No. Yeah. Take now, take. That's what I came to discuss with you. Fine girl. Yeah, so look here and here, and that's it.
Hey! Wait, this food. Oh. Bacon.
No, it's the...
So, it has come to this. Huh? Bacon. It has come to... You do this kind of thing to me. Hi. It has come to you borrowing money from me now. It's like all the knots where there your head don't lose finish. They don't lose finish. Bacon. You want me to lose my job? You're a devil. Devil. So I should steal my company money to fund your Yahoo.
Lami, it is not Yahoo.
It is!
It is not...
It is Yahoo job! 419. If you were even making money out of it, that would be okay. I can manage it.
No, Lami, it's not like I came to borrow money just like that. You remember the updates now? The update I told you about. Lami, see, trust me. You see this update, once you just give me this money and this update clicks. So, baby, please, just help me. Fund this my little venture.
Oh, when enough, Lami! Enough of this nonsense you are spitting this morning. What is wrong with you? Why you insult him? Because he's broke? Then you go first broke for Nigeria? This guy right here has a fucking bright future. You ain't gonna make him. I ain't gonna take make him.
I go make him now.
You go make him well.
Yes, sir.
They're making you feel like he's a failure. What do you mean?
Before uncle, is he not a failure? Are you not a failure? You failure! You failure program!
Lami,
waiting! You think to carry casket for head? The hawk casket! The hawk I mean to watch dead body! Now be profession! Nonsense! No wonder they say birds of the same feathers flock together!
You're mad!
What did you... What are you?
I'll talk to him now! I'll talk to this girl! Who she be? Who she be?
What's happened?
How's she gonna pull it up like that?
You want hit my woman?
God, the vex! Are the vex! How's she gonna pull it talk anyhow like this for my own presence? You gonna pull it talk anyhow? You know who you be to me? God, you be my best friend. You give me fucking second chance to life.
Even if I give you third chance to life, it can't mean say you go use hand, they talk to my woman.
God, forget that one. Forget that one! How gonna stand you gonna belittle you for my own presence? My own guy?
Waiting at the tell you say, if you use hand, follow and talk. Now disrespect now. If you disrespect my wife, you don't disrespect me now. Calm down.
Are you oh? Are you oh?
Calm down, I'm only with fine call. Nah.
If you let me talk to this girl now, if you let me talk to Ram.
What be that? No problem. So company card.
Now you dey cause all these kind of things. How you dey cause all this kind of see finish? If tomorrow come and she pour water for your head, now you go dey vex. Then when they carry my ATM card, why? What you want to do with the grace?
No be my ATM card, now my wife ATM card.
So you guys steal the ATM card, now can't go withdraw money. It don't make sense.
For the funding. Lami, everything you did, I forgive you. No problem. When I come back, we'll discuss it. So.
Seventh time we're showing someone on this compound. What kind of real estate agents are we?
Whether they buy it or not, does not really matter. What matters to me is my daily 6,000 naira. It is guaranteed.
Sure. 6K compared to someone actually buying this building, I will get 500,000 naira each.
Nobody's interested now. Should we kill ourselves? What matters is they are coming, and when they come, they don't find this house attractive. They find other things that meet their interest.
Now, dearly for the CEO. But to be honest, I really want to excel in this real estate business. Not just calling myself an agent and come on flat. I can't even rent.
Abego, don't sell yourself short. If you're not making progress, I am making progress. Get yourself together. We have a show in an hour.
Hi.
You're here early.
Indeed, I am.
Are you Mr. Onwuka?
Actually, I am Macon Awolowo. Checked your page out on Instagram, so I decided to come check this place out myself.
You are not Mr. Onwuka. Well, he made arrangement for this meeting. Well, we can accommodate an extra till he comes. That's if he does.
Okay, that's fine. Fair enough.
But you're going to pay for the tour.
Okay, when you say pay, how much?
It's just 50,000.
Yeah, right. Sure. Cash on transfer.
Transfer would do just fine.
Okay, if you just help me with the bank and the digits. That's your account number. All right. Done?
I'm Chinasa.
Yeah. Like I said, I saw that on your Instagram page.
Okay, I'll be your tour guide for today. Let me show you around, Mr. Onwuka. Oh,
yeah, sure. I'll just follow you. Nice choice of outfit.
I didn't know you were bringing me to a restaurant. Can I go back and change?
No, no, no. Why would you go back? Already here. Why would you even come out in an outfit you're not comfortable with? But it's okay. It's okay. What would you like for us to order?
Can you give me a moment? Let me use the restroom.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Babe, I don't even understand the game this man is playing. After all the lies I told to meet up to his class, I even wore my skin pierced dress. You know now, like I was expecting we just go to the hotel, do the sharp, he go credit me, I collect my money, run things, everything don't go. Only for him to take me to a restaurant, like saying he wants to get to know me. Like he wants to meet me, he wants to know more about me. How one takes that? Eh? He understood, is he blind? You need to see the signals I gave. I do everything, I package, I do everything, you understand? And you know the thing, I've not even been on a date for 4 years. I don't even know where to start from. Okay, I even dressed out of place. Now, I don't even know what I want to tell him. I know, but I can't even strike a conversation. I don't even know where to start from. Hey, this guy, this is tire me. He tire me. I be now, you're the mad. You be mad girl. I make my mama just go now. Mama see what you have to do. Mama see whether he go buy markets. You the crazy and you go buy. Get off my phone.
Okay. Welcome.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry I ordered
Oh, you
something
ordered
already.
already?
Yeah. You know you took so long? But anyway, it's fine. Thank God you're back. Yeah, so while you were away, I was beginning to feel like something went wrong. And I just had to keep my cool and act very casual so people won't notice. I mean, you stayed actually too long, so felt weird. For some reasons, I even felt maybe you jumped out of the bathroom's window. Yeah, but you're back and
What are your plans after now?
nothing really special. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking we should discuss about you. So tell me about your journey thus far in business.
Can we not talk about business? I mean, this is a night out, right?
Of course, yes, it's
So I think we should get acquainted.
You have a soft touch. Nice.
And they can do wonders.
I think you should meet my masseuse. She's very good. He's French. Yeah? And there's this story about him I would like to tell you. But before then, shall we? Alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello? Did you send me something? Did you get this from a Shakespeare's handbook? pick me up at 7. All right. Bye. Why are you staring?
Because you look really good.
What can I say? It's a life of a city girl.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
A big city girl, for that matter.
Yeah. A big one.
You know, I like the fact that you. Hey! What's that? What are you doing? My friend, give me this thing. Try for yourself.
Your pencil. See the client, sir.
What do you mean decline, sir? If a card declines, then you try again. Come on, try this thing again.
Same thing, sir. Decline.
So, in this big restaurant, you guys cannot afford a good working POS machine. Common POS machine. Because obviously it's not my card. Try it. Try this thing and don't spoil my dates, please.
Calm down.
I'm calm. I'm just...
It could be the bank error.
No, it's not bank error. Their machine is fake. See how light it is? Take this thing. It's not good. It's fake. See? It's very light.
Decline, sir.
Are you sure?
Can I try to transfer, sir?
Yeah, transfer. I left my token at home.
You know what? I'll take care of it.
No. I'm still going to sort this. I'm just.
No, it's fine. I'll take care of it.
It's not fine. Can I?
It's nothing.
Can we use other avenues?
It's nothing. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hello. Yes, John. Please, I need you to help me out with something. Yes, that's actually what I want to talk to you about. See, I need you to block the card, okay? Just block it. It was stolen. Oh, no, please, no, don't bring in the police to this. I'll explain when I get to work tomorrow, okay? We'll sort out the money later. Just block it for now, okay? All right, thank you. Thank you very much.
Macon?
Yeah?
Is everything okay?
Yeah, sure, yeah, it's sorted, right? Yeah, it's
well,
fine.
you are paying me back in 10 folds. When you thought it was for free. No. We don't do free things. You're paying me back my money.
Okay, so when you say pay you back, is it in cash or kind?
Cash. Or transfer. Times 10.
Okay, seems there's bad news.
What's wrong with the car?
I don't know. I'll have to check it out.
Okay.
Alright. I'll just confirm and... Okay. Okay, that's today. Please don't...
What's the problem?
I actually don't know, but I'll quickly check and we'll be on our way soonest, okay? Okay, let me just check.
Okay.
Alright. Oops. Alright, I think it's an electrical issue.
What do we do now?
Maybe we should just request an Uber. Let me check if I can. I'm so sorry, okay?
It's fine. Just get us out of this place.
Yeah, I'll do that shortly. Right there. Okay, it's searching.
Have you seen anyone?
What? It says all riders are busy.
Oh, I think we have to walk. Yeah, we need to get out of this place. It's lonely.
Yeah, when you say walk, how long can we walk for?
We have to try. I mean, love in the wilderness.
All right, let me just...
Hope the car is safe here.
Oh my God, finally.
Hey, babe.
Jesus Christ, I was worried sick about you. I was thinking you didn't know to be a ritualist.
Who's here?
Who's here? Me?
Macon, meet Fina. Fina, meet Macon.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
How are the kids?
Oh, we're watching a movie and they slept off, so I took them upstairs.
Sorry, excuse me. You've got kids?
Yeah. I have 2 musketeers, Kester and Faith. Hope it's not a problem.
No, certainly not. I mean, not with a wonderful mom like you. I'm so certain your kids will be as lovely as you are. Yeah.
What's that?
Wait, hold on. Was that ever a secret?
You're not a secret.
No, don't.
Sorry,
don't
it was
me.
a slip of tongue.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you once again. But please say, was I ever a secret?
You're not a secret. Let me show you around.
No,
Okay,
it's
now
alright.
you're bribing me. So you kept me a secret? Huh? You kept me
Enjoy,
a
it's alright,
secret.
it's alright, it's alright.
Let me show you around.
Okay, but then she just said that I was a secret. I heard that part. I was thinking you were taking us out for a walk.
No. I have had enough wilderness for today. Come here. You're a nice guy. The night started horrible. Oh, it's been good so far. And I think the kids love you.
I didn't know that. I didn't.
300,000 naira. 300,000 naira of my money. 300,000 naira of my company money. Do you know what they will do when they find out? Eh? Do you know what they will do when they find out? No, you did not think of that, Abi. You did not think of that because you're cheating on me with another woman.
No.
You stole my money and you spent it on another woman.
Honestly, if only if you can allow me explain. I can explain. I wasn't cheating on you. I wasn't.
I count 1, 2, 3.
2, 3. Why?
You're out of this house.
No. Don't let it get to that. Actually, I can talk to you and it will make sense.
Get out!
What I want to say makes sense. Just allow me to talk to you. It will make sense. What I want to say, it will make sense. Please. Okay. You know the update I told you about? That's it. Okay. I was trying to use the update to get more money for you and I. Okay. Sorry. Can I just take? Okay. Sorry. Here, I'm passing here. But honestly, I'm sorry. It's your update.
I don't want now.
You judge me. But it's your update. It's okay, let me just go now. Let me go peacefully. Okay, so at the mention of the last A, we can cut Momo's cake. Is that okay?
Yay!
So is everybody ready? Yeah. Everybody ready?
Yeah!
Alright, somebody say C.
C.
Somebody say H.
H.
Somebody say I.
I.
Somebody give me an N.
N.
Somebody give me A.
A.
Somebody give me S.
S.
And the last A! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Chinaza! Hug mommy, give mommy happy birthday! And hug mommy. Happy birthday. Okay, so I have one more little tiny cake for mommy, so... Yeah, I haven't even said anything yet. Do you know what I want to say?
Just say yes already. Seal.
All right. No. It's this one.
This one.
What's
the question?
Yes! She said yes! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yeah. Did you say that for mommy? It's not for mommy. It's like another cake. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
You're getting married in a few minutes. I'm not sure about this. But as it stands, I literally have no choice. You've got this, right?
Yeah, sure. Of course I got this. I'll surprise you.
Good.
How about your job? Any updates?
I'm still suspended indefinitely. When something tells me it's permanent.
I'm sorry.
No. See, I trust you. Okay? You've got a plan yet?
Yeah, sure.
So I just hope it works. Because that's the only reason I'm giving way for this silly fake marriage. Come here.
Thank you. Now that we're married, I would love to make this place look more homely.
But why? I thought you said he has a lot of buildings. Why don't you guys just move into one of his houses?
I haven't told you.
Tell me what?
He's currently having issues with business. He took a loan to finance a business with his friend in China. The container got seized. Now the bank is threatening to seize his buildings.
So as an understanding wife, you let him move into your home.
He hasn't moved in yet. Moreover, I have a big space and he's only here just for a month. Just for 1 month. After that, he'll be back in business, everything will be moving on fine, and he has promised to get us a house in Banana Island.
Why did he opt to marry you in the first place since he knows he has so many business issues? Huh? Have you been to his office, by the way?
I haven't been to his office. I know the place. He has given me the address, but I haven't been there. What matters to me is that he goes out and he comes back home with money and everyone is happy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, wait until you hear that smugglers are packing and stacking watts of cash from your man in wardrobes. By the time you realize that, you'll be in too deep, my dear.
Long gone.
You know, Amaka, I fuck up. You know, I really think I've not been a good friend. Because by now, I was supposed to have activated my FBI characteristics, you know, and dug up enough history on this guy. Because I feel like there are a lot of things I need to find out about him.
Mekon can never do anything to hurt me. He would rather die than to hurt me. I'm sure he has no skeleton in his cupboard. What's that for?
I did not say anything, no. But I'll be right here looking out for your best interest as my friend.
Relax. Me too, I also lied to him about everything. I haven't told him about our sex carpet.
Alright. Okay.
Take Mike. Go and tell him.
Go and tell him. No, you don't like peace of mind. I've seen clearly that you and peace of mind.
You know they agree.
No. In fact, they agree, because if you like peace of mind, you will not even think of telling him something like that. My darling, you see men, you see that gender, with them, honesty is never the result. Don't try it. If you like doll, go and say, oh, I said you never money.
Honesty is never the best policy.
Oh, shit.
Go they trust that man.
Well, I don't know why you guys are bothered about my marriage. You guys should be happy that I'm married. Huh?
Oh, no, get it wrong.
Congratulations, baby.
We're happy, but I'm just saying.
Oh, yeah.
No one.
I'm
Never advise
Mrs.
a woman,
like
no.
Mrs.
I'm
Mrs.
telling
Mrs.
you.
Mrs. Awolowo.
His friends what they had been doing while school had been closed.
Okay, stop. So from what you read, who asked his friends what they've been doing in school?
Mika.
Are you sure Mika asked his friends?
Yes.
Final answer. Final answer?
Mika.
Final answer.
Mika.
Okay, good. So quickly look here. From this picture, who do you think is Mika?
Easy. This one.
Choose again.
This one.
Clap for yourself. All right, that's good. Pretty much good. Okay, so let's continue.
Nothing much.
Who is there? And you are?
I am David, Michael's friend.
Oh, Dave, Michael's friend. I'm Chinasa, Michael's wife.
Oh, isn't everyone obvious? You look stunning. My guy really carry I go market. I see.
You don't look bad yourself. Thank you. Why not sit down while they're fetching for you? You don't look bad yourself.
Maji.
I just hear your voice.
How far now?
I did. What's up?
I did.
I didn't know you were this close.
Why you talk like this now?
How far?
You know how to speak English.
I must speak English now. What's up? What's up?
Yo, guy, calm down. These people I see now to make sense. She makes sense past that old cargo road Lami now.
Stop. I beg. No Lami slander. Just leave my beautiful Lami for me.
Guy, I know what's now they talk now.
What you they talk?
Baby is so beautiful. Look at her eyes. Everything just sharp. I can see the love in her eyes. This baby love you. I'm gonna let me just jar around down.
What did they worry you? You say she waiting? She waiting?
She fine now. She love you.
Love go. Love me. That baby you they see after round 2.
Huh? Don't want to.
No fall down.
It doesn't make sense like that.
I said she be after round 2. So see I'm so a better okrika. No be even first grade, 3rd grade okrika. See, man, I cannot lie for you. I should do so. I did on a mission with him. And that mission, I did stick to my mission. So just
Guy. If you never too late, I don't know whether if you just change your mind towards that babe. My spirit accept that babe. They should just stay around us while they do things together, you understand?
Your spirit? What's your spirit, they tell you?
The advice of spirit.
Mess up. I beg! Sit down, I bring drink for you. See your spirit.
Yeah, don't go poison my drink.
I don't go poison that way. Your spirit fuck up. You need ice?
Small.
Now you see your spirit still a demand for ice.
Yeah?
Oh, wow. Hello, Lami. What do you want? Yeah, sure. I almost forgot. Can you give me some minutes? Let me talk to my wife. Okay, fine. Give me some days to talk to Chinasa.
Babes.
You're glowing, how far?
I'm confused.
What's wrong?
Mekon is asking for 2 million naira to pay his worker's salary.
Central Bank of Nigeria that you are or what?
I'm confused. I don't even know where I want to get them from.
What are you confused about? Why is he asking you for money?
He says he needs to pay his worker's salary and you know his business has not been doing well.
No, Chinasa, please. No. I am not in support of this. This makes absolutely no sense to me.
Well, I don't have a choice. I have to give him the money. He has promised to move us out of this place. You think I don't want to move to Banana Island? Come. What's that?
Just wanted to check. Maybe malaria is doing...
Babe, this is not a joke now. I'm serious.
I'm also serious. This makes absolutely no sense to me. Why is he asking you for money? Why are you trying to give him money?
He's my husband. I'm trying to help him.
And Chinasa.
I think he's saying the truth.
Hey, God, you are gone. What's it, law?
I don't even have the money, but I will borrow.
I hope you know what you're doing. That's all I have to say, because this makes absolutely no sense to me. For real.
Lami!
What is it?
Lami, I told you. I told you!
My husband is the man!
That's what's up! Yeah, that's what's up! Hold this! I told you! Yeah, that's what's up.
Okay. Okay, so this will cover the rent. So what's the grand plan?
So for now, I've been able to earn her trust. So I just need little more time to be able to get her comfortable enough to make me her everything, and we're good to go.
Wait, little more time. So you want me to keep up with this charade a little more time?
Baby, come on, like not little, like more time.
More time? Macon! You know the kind of woman you married, Abby? Huh? You know, say I like to bash. See, I am missing my husband though. I'm missing my husband. It's sickening enough that I have to share. Every night, I'll be upstairs in the bed. Country will be killing me. You'll be here, dead, knocking another woman.
Lami, it's because I'm knacking another woman that we get to keep this house. What is wrong with you? Have you forgotten you don't have a job? You better start making good use of the money I sent to you.
So what's the plan?
Like I said, she trusts me, but it's not enough. I have to get her to make me her everything. So there are a couple of deals that she's eyeing this period, alright? And I also know that she's made lots of money from the houses she's been selling before we met. So all we need to do now is calm down, right? With just one perfect strike, baby, we're good. We're good to go for life. What? What's that?
I want to show you something.
You want to show me what?
Some down here.
What do you mean you want to show me something?
It's a new style, baby.
New style from where?
Acrobatic. In the bending corner.
Lami, are you okay?
Come, Joe.
Lami.
As if you don't want.
I want, but then where did you learn acrobatic from?
Google.
Google? I like this show. I love this guy.
Honey, don't you think it's time you did something else? Instead of waiting for this whole container issue to blow over.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Of course, yes. That's a good suggestion. But babe, the thing is, I actually don't have the funding. So I think waiting is a good result for now. Yeah.
So, now that your company has no product to market, what exactly does your workers do every day?
And why are you so concerned about my business?
Because I need to know more about everything.
Yeah, but all of a sudden you're just...
I feel like there's this part of your life that I'm not familiar with.
Well, my workers are there. Yeah, they are just there in case when I need them. I know as a businessman, it's not an interesting thing to say, but they are on standby. Thank you.
So, babes, I think it's time you show me your office address. I need to bring it lunch sometime,
Seriously?
Yes. Babe, that's not a big deal. I need to give you a good treat.
I think that would be too much stress for you. That's what I think.
I'm not complaining.
What's that? What are you doing?
Are you not going to work?
Maybe in a few minutes I will.
It's almost 9 a.m. Are you not worried it will reflect bad of you to your workers that you're always going to work late?
What is? What was reflecting? I'm their boss now. I'm the one that employed them. Oh, am I not their boss? Am I not the one that paid their salary? I'm their boss now.
Macon, I need you to get up, get ready and go to work. Make on go to work. At least it will give me some kind of hope. Instead of you lazing around and... Anyways, I don't know. I'm leaving. I'm going out with the kids. I need you to get ready and go to work.
No problem. I'll go. I'm going. I'm gone. I'm still going.
Kate! Kester! Faith! Let's go to school. You're running late.
We're here.
Let's go, please. Where's your daddy?
He's still sleeping upstairs.
Let's go. Let's go. It's 11 a.m. and you're still here. Do you even go to work at all?
But I told you I'm...
Don't give me that bullshit.
Chinasa, wait. Is it your job? I told you I'm their boss. I'm their boss now. I employed all of them. I paid their salary. I don't even necessarily need to go to work all the time. All I need to do is make phone calls, delegate responsibilities. Please. Let me handle my job the way I deem fit. Please.
I paid 2 million of your workers' salary. The success of your business is my utmost priority. You will give me your office address.
Come on now. Is that really necessary?
Are you giving me or not? Hello, Fina. I asked Mekon to show me his office address. He gave me the address. I came to the place. The place is a bush. Yes, I'm there right now. The place is a bush, a total bush. Nothing is happening there. Nothing. God. This guy has scammed me. He scammed me. I said it's a bush. Okay. You told me you have houses all over Nigeria. You told me you have money. You told me you procured a loan from the bank and you're having issues to pay. And it will only take a month. You told me that when you get all your issues sorted out, you're going to take us out of this place. You deceived me.
Everything but this marriage, Chinasa. God knows. Yeah, God knows I love you and I couldn't lose you. But you were way out of my league, and I know no normal Lagos big girl will agree to marry a broke guy like me. So I had to do what I did.
You deceived me.
No. I told you what you wanted to hear. And I didn't see it as anything because I felt you are into real estate. You make good money, so it wouldn't be a problem to take care of us. You could be my helper, right? Why? What's funny? Why? What?
It's funny you think I have money. Like I have a tree that grows money, a tree where I hold money.
No. Like you sell houses, so I feel a couple of millions won't be a problem to you, right?
Sorry to burst your bubble. We rarely sell those houses. The only money I make is the 6,000 naira I make from mobility commission. And it doesn't even come every day.
No, but you said
I lied too.
Huh? You what?
I thought you were rich. Unfortunately, you are worse. I sleep with men. I meet through real estate for money. You can call it hookup if you want to be brash.
Wait, hold on. Chinasa, you're saying you're a prostitute.
Don't you dare. I do what I have to do to take care of my children. I do what I have to do to take care of my family. That is how I got myself set up. I stopped after our wedding. I never knew you were a cheap scammer.
No, I'm not a scammer.
What are you?
I'm not a scammer.
What are you? You extort money from me. You tell unfounded lies. You fabricate lies to collect money from me that I don't even have.
But come on, you would have just said the truth. You would have just said the truth. You would have opened up, but you would have admitted that you had nothing. You wouldn't have made me go through all that I went through just to marry you. Come on now. This is bad market now.
Indeed it is.
Chinasa,
you are leaving this house.
No.
You live it.
Hold on. It hasn't got into that now.
You think I'll let you stay here and lazy around? Malcolm, you're leaving my house this instant.
Chinasa. No. Fine. It's okay. Please. Chinasa. The truth is, both of us, we've lied to each other. We've messed up. But I honestly want you to ask yourself a question. Did you marry me because of money or love? Yeah. Keep that gaze. Come on. Look at me, baby, please. I honestly want you to answer me. Did you marry me because of money or because you love me? Baby, which is which? No. Do not. I beg of you, do not do that. I'm sorry now. I'm actually very sorry, please. Okay, you know what? I promise you, from here we can just make amends. We can pick up from where we left off, okay? I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry I should have told you this earlier. In as much as your milk-con of a lover is wretched just as a church rat, I actually thought he meant well for you.
What do I even know?
Back at the registry, I went looking for your lover. Lo and behold, I saw him kissing a lady.
What?
Water.
See, just relax. The ladies called Lami and she got into the car and left. And the worst part is I was about to confront him, but you came in. I couldn't. And you can't blame me, can you? Listen, you've been so happy these days. You've been acting so nicely. You've been excited about everything. We didn't want to take that away from you. You can't blame us. We just had to keep our mouths shut.
Why are you guys keeping things from me? I thought we were friends. Whenever I'm about to make a huge mistake, you stop me. What's wrong with you?
Sorry.
Sorry, Lord.
Listen, okay, wait. Chinasa, let's be real, right? This guy's an asshole. It's an established fact. But you guys had a spark. You were so happy. You were so in love. You were excited. We've never seen you that way before. It's our duty to see you happy and be happy for you too. We thought something could come out of it. You can't blame us.
Exactly.
You were as excited as a kid in a candy store.
Right?
Whatever. That's the least of my problem compared to the lies and deceit he has told me. I'm broke. I don't have a business. So I'll go back to hook up.
You're not a married woman, no.
Married to an asshole.
I hope you've dumped his silly ass.
I already asked him to leave.
A very important first step because as far as I'm concerned, that two-faced bastard needs to get out of your life. Get rid of him. You're better off without him.
Streets.
You should go back to the streets, please.
I will miss the knocking.
Hey, I'm sorry. Honestly, Chinaza, she was an ex, and she was one who came to me before Fina saw us. It was just bad timing. All right? Please?
They should give you an award for kneeling. What? Nonsense.
Come on now, please. You know you're the one I love, right? Please, let's just try to iron things out. Chinasa, please now, please.
I have a client that wants me over tonight.
What do you
mean by what? I have just 50,000 naira to my name. I don't want to beg in case of eventualities.
Is that why you want to sell yourself for money? Wait, Chinasa, do you know we are married?
And so what? I have children to feed. I don't have money. You can't even provide for me. I have to go out there and look for money. That is the only way I know how to look for money.
Oh, I'm sorry. I won't let you go.
I want to watch you stop me.
I promise you, you're not going
You
anywhere.
can't stop me.
I can't let you. You.
Let me go.
You're not going.
Let me go.
Where?
Let me go.
You're not going anywhere.
Let me go.
You're not going anywhere. You're not.
Chinasa, no, I'm not in support of this. I don't support this at all.
It's the only way out. I need to start something for him, no matter how small it is.
Then let him get funding. Let him get funds. He should source for it anywhere else. Why is he trying to get funds from your bank account? Oh, sorry. It's not even your bank account. He's trying to make you borrow money so he can stand up to his husband's duties. Come on, make it make sense. What are you doing? A horrible mistake. I'm sorry, you're making a horrible mistake.
What do you suggest I do?
It's a bloody divorce. And get your life together. That's what you should do.
I can't do that.
Chinasa, you can. Yes, you can. Come on. Wait. Are you still sleeping? Wait. Are you in love with him?
I actually do like him.
Wow. Shoot me. Listen, if I were in your shoes, the moment I realized all the lies and everything he did, I would snap out of that love that instant.
Oh, God.
What? What is wrong with you?
I don't know. I like him.
Chinasa, you need to leave this guy, oh.
I know I can make this work.
No, you can't, Chinasa. This one is beyond repair.
I can
leave
make
this
it
guy
work.
before it gets worse. Leave this guy, I'm telling
I'm
you.
a single mother with 2 children. Do you
And
think
so
it's easy for me to get a man to marry me and live with me?
And so what? Girl, you will be fine.
This will be enough to get you a sound car. Maybe a UK used and something near brand new that you can use for your personal vehicle or Uber.
Chinasa, thank you. Thank you. Oh my God, thank you. Chinasa, I promise you I will not let you down. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you!
This is not what we planned on. This is not what we discussed. You said she will not find out.
And so what if she found out? And so what? What does it matter? I'm asking you. Does it matter? Yeah, it doesn't matter because I can still improvise. Of course, yes, I can improvise. She loves me, okay? She loves me irrespective, so it's not over. I'm just so certain I can get little money from her and that's it. That's it. I'm done with that chapter.
Little money, Ke. Wait, am I alone in this? Oh, Benny, we need big game, Joe. After all this sacrifices, little money. Please, I beg.
What do you mean we need big game? Look at the man. We need big game, oh. Why don't you get yourself a fake marriage and be pumping the money on me so you know how it is? Because if I go broke now, you are the one that will be disturbing me, shouting on my head that I make my money through fraud. And when it's all good, you are there, you want to connive.
Here, you better not even try. Don't even try to guilt trip me over this. Oh. Don't even try it. After all, I lost my job over this nonsense scheme of yours. See, this had better work. You had better work.
I mean, you know what? You need to get a job. Yeah, it's time you got yourself another job because since this marriage, do you know how much I've given you? I mean, I've given you not 1, not 2, I've given you 5 million naira. 5 million naira? You did not do anything reasonable with it. None of your spendings are being accounted for and you are...
It's okay.
Stop
it's
it.
It's okay. Calm down.
Don't come close to me.
Please, no.
Leave me now.
Oh, come me.
It's 5 million small money.
Ifemi. Ifemi, baby. Oh yeah, let me rub your head.
Leave me. I'm not playing.
Baby, see, it's okay that these things don't go according to plan, yeah? But I trust you. I know my baby again. I trust you. Come here at that time. See, all we have to do is to get the perfect score. I mean, just leave her. Just leave her and you come back to me, See, fresh.
I don't want to.
Oh, yours, baby.
No.
Baby.
player! Come on! Eh?
Can you help me out with my homework?
Goal! What do you mean? Okay, give your mom. Give your
She's
mom.
really busy.
Eh?
She's really busy.
Okay, pass now. Pass. Give her. Another goal! Another goal! Don't come today. My team will make me proud. My team.
Daddy, the assignment.
Yes, sir, what's that?
The assignment.
Are you mad? No, Kester, are you stupid? Can't you see I'm busy? My friend, will you move your imbecile self out of my presence?
What's that for? Eh? What's the meaning of that? Is something wrong with you? Why are you talking to my child like that? Eh? What's that? Are you okay? Eh?
Baby, what's that? Why not his father?
Please, don't baby me. Don't baby me. Don't ever treat my child like that. Please, don't. Kester! Let's go.
I was correcting.
Go ball! Say player now! Go! Football!
Chinasa, what happened? Why is my food not ready? Huh?
There is no food. The kids ate the last cereal. And there's no provision in the house. And I don't have money.
What do you mean there's no food? How?
I thought you would come home with money. So I can prepare something for you.
Yeah, I'm supposed to come home with money, but I don't have money.
Mekon, you don't have money.
I don't have money.
Other drivers come home by 6. You come home by 11 o'clock every day. Yet you don't have money. I fuel your car more often than you do. And yet you tell me you don't have money. What do you do with your money, Mekon? Huh? What do you do with your money? Huh?
Chinasa, in as much as it's very hard to believe, this is the truth. Driving business is not as profitable as it used to be. I don't have money means I don't actually have money.
You should have thought about that before you decided to be a driver.
Hold on. I'm sorry. But for real, are you actually serious? Because you've been saying there is no food for the past 2 weeks. I'm hungry. I'm actually hungry. Huh?
Maybe when you start contributing in this house, I will actually have food for you. But for now, I don't have.
Okay, hold on. It's okay. I actually want to discuss something with you. Please sit. Sit down. So there is something very serious that I've been meaning to discuss with you. It's about Faith and Kester.
What about them?
I think you should consider taking them to their father's house. Yeah, I mean, the amount of care and money you pump into those kids is too much. Babe, we're trying to build our home. We're trying to have our own kids. So we literally don't need a second or a third party. Take them to their father's house. Their grandfather, grandmom, anywhere you deem fit. Just move them out.
How dare you? What's your problem with what I do for my children? I can decide to give them $1 million for just a meal and it's nobody's business. They are my life. They are my sole reason for existence. I can't have you or anyone else uttering this nonsense. And this should be the last time you can ever say this from your mouth. Nonsense.
But at least, will you give me food now? I'm actually very hungry. Give me food. No. Take your kids away. No. Choose one now. Ha! I'm supposed to be the man of this house. I don't even understand.
Babe. I guess you're still pissed with me. I'm sorry for yelling. I guess my anger got the better part of me. I'm sorry I spoke to you the way I did. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm good.
Really?
Yeah, we're good.
Kiss me.
What?
Kiss me.
You see what I'm talking about? Chinasa, how much did you spend in buying the entire supermarket for your kids today? They'll come back and have lunch. Have dinner! And you know there is no 24 hours light in this estate yet! You will buy fuel and run the gen for the entire day. But if me, your husband, ask you for 1 penny, you will just start cooking me cock and bull stories. Right?
It's so sad that a grown-up man like you will sit down, spend your time and calculate the money a woman makes in her own home.
Point of correction, our money.
Our money?
Yeah.
Let me even ask yourself, how is that your business? Did I borrow money from you? How is it affecting you? You see, I grew up with love. And I promised myself that I would do the same for my children, if not more. So, it is not my fault that you did not have the privilege to grow up with love. And I can't do the same to my kids.
What did you just say?
Exactly what you heard. Not every woman is as irresponsible as your mother, who abandoned you and absconded with a white man.
Next time you talk to me, talk to me like that again. Make sure I kill you. I kill you.
How dare that animal, Macon? How dare you eat you like that? What gave him the effrontery?
The
audacity for me.
Really? Come, madam. The question you should ask your friend here is, what did she do? Macon cannot just beat her. He's not an animal. What did she do? Yes.
Auntie, I did not do anything. Where has it become a crime to love your children? Where has it become a crime to provide for my children? And to top it all, that bastard wants my children out of the house. Why? Why?
Chinasa! How many times have I called you? Don't allow that wretched bastard to manipulate you to the point you do something you are not supposed to do. Oh my God, I'm so pissed.
Look at you. I don't want to say that you're the negative influence on my niece.
Okay, I don't care.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't. I will not digress. Now, Chinasa, do you know how difficult it is to get a man? Have you done your research? Single girls, without children, go and find out. They are struggling to get a man. But God decided to bless you. Bless you with a beautiful man. A man that accepted you. After two, with your children. And he's also playing a very beautiful role in your children's lives. And you want to throw it all away. For what? If, what's it called? If taking these children with me will make this marriage work, so be it. I'm taking them with me.
Impossible.
Oh, Messi go Jara.
Listen, Chinasa, look at me. Look at me. Listen, okay? Kesa and Faith are your children.
Exactly.
In the entire world, they're everything you have. You're everything to them. They need to be close to you. Think, look at me, listen to me. Think. Think.
Think now.
They'll be fine at Elizabeth's place.
Oh, yes.
What?
Until
The manipulation is working. Can't you guys see?
me and Mecca will find our footing.
Wow.
Two of you, I have one advice or two. One is for you to mind your business. And then the second one is find yourselves a man. Yes. Then on the boy, look at, I know you drag your bag, let's go.
Mommy, aren't you coming with us?
No, come here. No, Mita, it's your mother.
Jesus. I'll come to visit you from time to time. Huh? Me and your dad will come and visit you. Eh? Yes.
My baby,
you will eventually come back.
Everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine.
Stay with me.
Come here, come here, come here, come.
You made the right decision. Because we can't afford to take care of children all by ourselves right now. We need good footings. Nobility, so. No, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying I don't love them, not like I don't love them as much as you do. But I just think that we can't deal with any child right now.
You should have thought about that before you decided to marry me. Okay. Now that they are gone, have you finally fixed the car? Is business booming? We have electricity bill to pay this weekend. What are we going to eat this night?
Okay. For now, do you have any little money that you can borrow me right now? I promise I'll pay you back. Just for me just to fix some things. Huh? Hold on.
Babe, add another zero.
Okay? I'll beat you. Two what? Come on, leave me alone.
Come, Joe.
Okay, hold on, just 1 second.
No.
I don't want to make mistakes. Wait.
Make the mistake. Baby.
Scent.
Ganga.
Like money.
It's sweet to me and to my brain. Babe, there's something money does to me. Just tells me.
I think you like money too much.
baby, and it gets better from now, eh?
Yeah.
Better and better.
Yeah.
And better.
What?
I've been checking all the nice apartments, all those in that what's the name of that Blue Estates, Blue City Estate. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's a very nice place. It's a very good place to set up a family.
I like the sound of that.
Baby, if you go there, that's one woman. The way she was talking to her neighbor. Hi. The other was like, hello. I was like, the other day my daughter just came back from America, and the other was saying, I went to Spain. Baby. And there's really people there. Come on, goddamn. Baby, you love that place.
You already met people already. Like you started.
Trust your girl now. All those ajibos, I have to package. I have to mingle. By the time people see us, what are you talking about?
Okay, that's
so baby,
fine.
don't worry. By tomorrow, by this time tomorrow, all this charade would have been over.
Yeah.
And we'll just go there and set up. Nobody will know us again. We just.
Of course, precisely. We have to.
So that's why I'm looking for a nice apartment so we can. And once we get it, we'll just move. Okay?
Okay. So have you found any?
Of course now. Trust your girl.
No.
Of course. But babe, the price is outrageous, so. But I trust your woman. She would drop with the right motivation. Just.
I'll beat you. I swear I'm going to beat you. I'll so beat you. Now you are spoiled. What are you saying? Anyway, I'm really happy. We're getting better.
Baby, you're making me proud, though.
Of course, I have to make it proud. I'm the head of a family.
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
I stepped out to see a friend.
That's all you know how to do?
What do you mean that's all I know how to do?
That's all you know how to do! You can't provide food. You can't provide anything. All you do is to lazy around all day.
Chinaza, I wasn't out lazing around. I went out to work.
To work?
I was working.
People work and they come on with profits. In your own case, it is totally different. It is different. Megan, it's like you signed a contract with poverty. Did you sign a contract with poverty? I've given everything for this marriage. What haven't I given for this marriage?
Can you get hold of yourself?
I can't get hold of myself. I can't. You want to ruin me? It's like you're out to ruin my life.
I'll just talk to you later.
Why did you go? I'm not letting you go. You think you can get off that easy?
Can you at least calm down? Our neighbors are listening.
I don't care. I can fucking listen.
Chinaza, what do you want from me? What is this? Okay, fine. Things are hard. Is it my fault? Is it my fault?
Is it your fault? You lied to me. Michael, you lied to me.
I lied to you. Well, you are the one who lied
because you are a gold digger.
I sleep with men.
Oh, you know.
For money. I'm a prostitute. And I never lied about that.
You're a proud prostitute.
I'm a prostitute. That's how I think of myself. That's how I think of my children. I'm a prostitute. But your kids. Your kids. What have you achieved after all these years? What have you achieved? What have you achieved? What have you achieved?
Friend, just get out of my way.
What have you achieved? What do you have? What have you achieved? What do you have? You need to start taking responsibilities. You need to man up. You need to man up in this house. I'm done sticking out my head for you. Useless man, fool.
Idiot! Idiot! You want to beat me? Beat me now, beat me! Beat me!
Where do you think you're coming from?
What do you care?
Of course I do care. I'm your husband.
My children are graduating in a few weeks.
Hmm.
And I have to pay their fees.
Okay.
I need to support Auntie Elizabeth. I don't have money and there is no food in this house. So pick one reason and understand why I did not have time to sleep on this bed with you.
I should pick one reason. I think the reason you didn't sleep is because you were out there and
sleeping with other men.
Chinasa, you boldly tell me that you cheated on me.
And you kissed your ex.
Oh, listen to me. You will look me straight in the eyes when I'm talking to you and you will never walk out on me again.
Take your filthy finger out of my face. What's the meaning of that? The next time you try this with me, I will show you what I'm made of. What's that for?
You're daring me. Give me that phone. What's one of your stupid boyfriends? Give me that phone. Hello? God saved you.
Hello? Auntie Elizabeth. What?
What? I didn't say anything. Did I do anything? What happened? Hello? Who's the, okay, what happened? Okay, sorry. What happened? What is it?
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't know I was only trying to make them steadfast in the Lord. But the Lord punish you. And Elizabeth, God will punish you. God will punish you. You have killed my child. You killed my child, Elizabeth, and God punish you. I wish there's a way I could strangle you without consequence. God will punish you, Elizabeth. God will punish you. God will punish you. I'm sorry. You killed my daughter. You killed my daughter. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It was a 40 days fasting, and we do it every year in church. I just wanted them to be grounded in Christ. I didn't know she would die. I didn't know. You killed my child. I tell me to calm down.
Just
don't touch me.
Calm down.
Oh my God, please tell me it's not true. Please tell me she's still alive. Please.
I'm so sorry we lost her.
We lost her. Are you happy now? No, tell me, are you happy she's dead? My biggest prayer for you is that you meet your Waterloo soon, you pig! I need to complain that she has to help this.
Guess what? Guess what? I finally got the contract! Yes, 300 million, babe! 300 million! Thank you, babe. Thank you, babe. Thank you, babe. Thank you for your support. Thank you.
Babe, what's going on? What's with the excitement?
Babe, let me call you back. Babe, guess what? Guess what?
What?
I finally got the contract.
What contract?
The contract to develop the mini mall. The 300 million naira contract.
Say what now?
Yeah.
The 300 million.
You got
Yeah.
you. Okay. Our prayers. I finally did answer. Okay, I'm so happy. We need to celebrate this, okay?
Yeah.
We need to pop champagne.
You want to celebrate?
Of course, yes. Yes. Three freaking 100 million naira. That's.
Hello? Lami, this is not a good time to talk, okay? What do you mean it? Okay, I'll see you in a few days, then we can talk, okay?
You are pregnant. Lami, how can you say you are pregnant? Was that part of the plan?
Okay, fine. It's okay. It's okay. I'll just find my way, hasten things up with her, cash out big, then I'll leave her for good. Alright? I'll see you in the evening. Don't call me, I said I'll see you in the evening. You say you're pregnant.
You too. Timing bastard. I always knew there was something fishy about you.
Lami, listen. So sorry. Chinasa, please. Okay? If you hear me out, I promise you I'll explain.
Explain what?
About what you heard.
That you schemed your way into my heart? That I foolishly made a grave mistake that killed my child? Explain what? Explain what?
Please.
You evil-spirited bastard!
Baby.
I don't think that you even have a wife that is pregnant for you. And both of you are planning to share my money.
I promise you it's not so.
This is a typical case of monkey they want babu they shop.
No, Chinasa, can you just hear me out? Can I tell you the genesis of everything?
Hear you out.
Yeah, what you...
Hear you out. What else do you have to say? What else do you have to say? Not for your lies.
No.
Pathological liar. What else do you have to tell me?
I promise you. It's not what you think, actually.
I will sue you. I will sue you for emotional displays and bigamy. I will sue you. I'll deal with you.
Okay, hold on. I said sorry, hold on.
of Jesus. Rise, 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 rise.
What happened? What happened here? What's going on? What's going on?
Get that gold dress and your mother like this.
Saw her like this.
Yes.
She was bad.
She must have slipped and fell while she was trying to have her bath. So what do we do? Huh?
Let's take her to the morgue.
No, guy. Of course, yes, we should have taken her to the morgue, but the problem is I don't even have money because this caught us unawares. It just happened like this. Okay, it's fine. I have an idea. I'll call my friend Dave. He sells caskets, so I'll call him. I'm sure he can. He always helps in situations like this. So hello, Devo, emergency, I beg. The biggest casket, family size, I beg.
In the name of Jesus. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God, why? Why? Oh God.
Take heart, bro.
Chinasa.
Your tears have said more words than your mouth can even utter.
God, why? One never thought of where When it is after I put to me, I'm one of my, and for quite a while, it's your thing, I'm one. Jesus, oh Jesus,
You don't have to beat yourself too hard. It was a mistake. And if you don't tell anyone, no one will know.
Yeah, just that The guilt. The guilt is eating me up badly.
Babe, see. Listen, you have to be strong in the face of this turmoil. Otherwise, if you mess things up, you'll be facing life imprisonment or death by firing squad. We don't want that, do we? See, babe, all you have to do is to pull some strings. Just pull some strings and get the funds for the contract. Okay? After all, you were legally married to her. Yeah? You can just get the money and then we'll abscond to the United States and start afresh. Okay, baby? Okay?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
What is this I'm hearing? Where's Chinasa? What happened to Chinasa?
She left us.
What do you mean left us? What do you mean? Left us to where? Who certified it? Who? Where? How? Where? How did it happen? What happened? I mean, I spoke to her days ago and she was okay. She was okay. I spoke to her after she got the contract. What happened?
She fell in the bathroom and hit her head, and that was it.
Or maybe she collapsed. Chinasa is dead. Listen, come and take me to the morgue. Okay, she's my girl. Take me to wherever she's laid. I promise you, I'll smack her up and she'll wake up. I promise you. Take me to where she is. Take me.
Fina, she's been buried. Leko arranged for her funeral.
What? Yes. And you guys didn't see me fit to tell me? Why is she buried so soon? What? Why?
Fina. He killed me. Who killed you? The one I loved. The one I sacrificed everything for. What are you talking about? He pushed me. And I fell. He forced death on me. Now I'm trapped in this darkness. You're here with me. You're here with me. I'm not trapped. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me.
Hi. Fina, what are you doing here?
Hey, Macon.
Yeah, hi. I said hi earlier. So to what honor do I owe this visit?
To Providence.
To Providence.
Don't wet your pants. I only came to ask you some simple questions about what happened to my friend.
Oh, you mean my late wife?
Whatever. What happened to Chinasa?
Wait, hold on. Are you some sort of homicide detective now or what?
Homicide detective?
Yeah.
Anyway, you're entitled to your opinion.
But I thought I and Elizabeth already explained everything. Yeah?
Your explanations were absolutely shadowy. I'm not buying it. Macon. You know what pisses me off in all of this is that I want her. I want her, but she didn't listen. My friend was hale and hearty. She just won a 300 million naira contract and now she's dead. I smell a rat.
So, what are you insinuating?
That you killed her and now you're searching through her things. You hit her and buried her hastily just so you could cover your tracks, you evil man!
Fina, the things I'm searching are mine because I also live here. So, what exactly are you talking about?
Curse me with the pretense! You killed her!
Killed who?
You killed Chinasa! You killed my best friend! You stuffed her head in the shower and made it look like a home accident! Listen, I know my friend. She's been telling me things in different ways. You're such a barbaric and evil human. I feel like strangling you.
So what if I killed her? I'm asking you, so bloody what if I killed her? Who will believe you? You know, for some seconds I forgot there was a CCTV. I forgot there was a CCTV in this house. Wow! Now listen to me, you bitch. Even with all of your evidence, you go explain, tire, and no one will believe you. So go ahead. Go ahead. Tell the world I killed her.
Nice act, Ogambasi. Really? No evidence? Let me bust your bubble. Every single thing you confessed to is in this record. Let's see who has the last laugh.
What do you think you're talking about? What do you think you're talking about? What do you think you're
Fina.
Ma.
Are you sure you don't want to stay?
Don't worry, Auntie Elizabeth. Kids will be very fine, and I'll be very fine too. He has been through a lot in recent times, so he needs a break. He needs to have a fresh start away from all the woes that has befallen us in recent times.
Does.
So yeah, and I promise on my honor that I'll take very good care of him, even if it's the last thing I do for my dear friend Chinasa.
Chinasa. It is well.
So the money I retrieved from this comeback Macon, I am going to undertake the contract, and I would use part of the money to further his education, and the balance we could just use it to buy shares in all these thriving companies around.
That's good. You have it all planned out. That's very good. I pray it goes well.
Amen.
God bless you.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Yes, Mom.
Kester.
Mom?
Remember what I taught you. Be
Okay,
prayerful, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't forget. Don't forget God. You're not too young to know God.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Come here. Come here. I'll be with you. Fina, this is the right time to embrace God. You see everything that has happened. It's a reason for you to learn. Embrace
Yes,
Jesus. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
I will keep
Thank
you
you,
in touch.
Mom.
God bless you.
Yes, Mom. All right, Mom. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.